To take profit from a phantom wallet, you first need to understand what a phantom wallet is. A phantom wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other Solana-based tokens. The first step is to open your phantom wallet and navigate to the portfolio section. This is where you will see the list of all your assets, including Solana and other tokens. Select the asset you want to take profit from by clicking on it. Next, you will see the details of the selected asset, including its current price, the amount you own, and the total value. To take profit, you need to sell your asset. Click on the Sell button, and a new window will open where you can enter the amount you want to sell. Enter the amount of the asset you want to sell, and the phantom wallet will automatically calculate the estimated amount of Solana you will receive. Make sure to review the transaction details, including the amount you are selling, the price, and any fees that may apply. Before confirming the transaction, make sure you have sufficient balance in your phantom wallet to cover any fees associated with the transaction. Once you are ready, click on the Confirm button to proceed with the sale. The phantom wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction using your password or biometric authentication, depending on the security settings you have enabled. After confirming the transaction, the phantom wallet will process the sale, and the proceeds will be credited to your wallet. It is essential to note that taking profit from a phantom wallet may be subject to market volatility, and the price of the asset may fluctuate rapidly. It is crucial to keep an eye on the market and adjust your strategy accordingly. Additionally, it is recommended to set a target price for taking profit and stick to it to avoid emotional decision-making. It is also essential to consider the fees associated with the transaction and factor them into your profit calculation. By following these steps and best practices, you can take profit from your phantom wallet and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio effectively. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your phantom wallet and transactions safe.